North Star Independent's an independent percussion group out of Idaho Falls, Idaho. We compete in WGI and IMPA in Utah. I played in North Star for about 5 years, and I really enjoyed it every year I was in it. But I got too old to be in the group any longer. I had the opportunity to teach the group, so now that's what I pursue.
My experience here at North Star has been amazing. I have been here a long time, and growing as a human and growing as a person around the people I love the most has been the most valuable experience in my opinion. My favorite thing specifically about playing is that I play cymbals and I get to slam metal plates into my body for fun, and we get to throw them and we get to toss them and do really cool visuals, and just getting that experience is so fun and physically challenging as well.
My experience at North Star has been very successful. I've educated myself a lot in playing any rhythmic exercises or anything in general. There's a great community around it, a lot of people supporting it. Got a lovely group here, and it's just fun all around. Love this place.